The most common issue with Audi key fobs is a dead battery. These fobs use a CR2032 battery that typically lasts 1 to 2 years. If the battery replacement doesn't fix the problem, the fob might need resyncing. Start by locking and unlocking your car manually using the physical key. Then insert the key into the ignition and follow the prompts on your car's MMI screen to repair the fob. If these steps don't work, continue to the next section to address antenna or receiver problems. If battery replacement and remote synchronization don't resolve your Audi key fob issues, the problem might involve the car's antenna or receiver components. These parts handle communication with the key fob, and damage or corrosion can lead to complete failures. Symptoms include intermittent unlocking or no response at all. Unfortunately, repairs typically require a trip to the Audi dealer for diagnostics and can cost between $300 and $500. This often involves checking antenna wires in bumpers or door frames or the receiver modules in the car's electronic control unit. For instance, in a documented case with an A3 sedan, corroded antenna wires from moisture exposure necessitated a repair costing $300 to $500. Looking ahead, Audi is embracing digital transformation in key systems. The company is moving towards smartphone-based keys through apps like Audi Connect, which already features in 40% of new models and allows owners to unlock their vehicles digitally. NFC near-field communication technology is also emerging, enabling tap-to-unlock functionality with compatible phones. By 2027, biometric integration such as fingerprint-scanned keys is anticipated. Additionally, AI-assisted diagnostics in dealership apps will help predict and fix issues, while blockchain-secured keys will counter hacking threats. However, this shift introduces new challenges, including potential software glitches and over-reliance on stable connectivity. To mitigate risks, remain proactive with regular battery checks and address any key fob problems promptly to prevent them from escalating into expensive hardware repairs. Finally, note that a significant recall from late 2023 through early 2024 addressed potential hacking vulnerabilities in keyless entry systems, impacting more than 500,000 Volkswagen and Audi vehicles worldwide. Audi implemented enhanced encryption and provided software updates. Make sure your vehicle has received the latest patch to minimize security risks and maintain optimal key fob functionality.